Discover the top destinations in Portugal for your travel adventure. From stunning palaces in Sintra to breathtaking beaches in the Algarve, Portugal has it all. Explore vibrant cities like Lisbon and Porto, each filled with history, culture, and unique charm. Get ready for scenic views along the Douro River, mystical islands like Madeira, and much more. Stay tuned for a detailed guide on the best places to visit, perfect for your next vacation. Sintra, home to magical palaces and fairy tale landscapes. Pena Palace, a colorful, extravagant castle perched on a hill. Quinta da Regalera, a mystical estate with secret tunnels and gardens. Sintra National Palace, a historic royal residence with stunning architecture. Scenic views of lush mountains and charming streets. Porto, known for its wine, Porto is a must-visit city for wine lovers. Ribeira District, cobblestone streets and colorful houses along the Douro River. Livraria Lello, a stunning historic bookstore with beautiful architecture. Dom Luisman Bridge, a breathtaking, iconic bridge connecting Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia. Taste Porto's famous Francesinha sandwich. Lisbon, the vibrant capital city of Portugal, full of history and culture. Belém Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with stunning riverside views. Jerónimos Monastery, a masterpiece of Manueline architecture and history. Alfama District, traditional fado music, narrow streets, and old-world charm. Ride the iconic tram 28 through the city's hills. Évora UNESCO, World Heritage City rich in Roman history. Roman Temple of Évora, one of the best-preserved Roman ruins in Portugal. Évora Cathedral, a stunning medieval church with views over the city. Chapel of Bones, a chilling yet fascinating site filled with human bones. Serene, peaceful town with a relaxed atmosphere. Belém Tower, a UNESCO site. This tower stands as a symbol of Portugal's age of exploration. Built in the 16th century, it sits beautifully on the Tagus River. Offers panoramic views of the river and surrounding areas. A fortress and lighthouse originally built for defense. A must-see historical landmark, especially at sunset. Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Belém, Lisbon, exemplifies the Manueline style of architecture, famous for its stunning cloisters and intricate carvings. The final resting place of explorer Vasco da Gama. Near the Monument to the Discoveries, another important Lisbon landmark. Albufeira coastal town, famous for its beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife. Stunning golden beaches like Praia dos Pescadores and Praia de São Rafael. The Old Town cobblestone streets lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. Charming coastal cliffs and crystal-clear waters. Excellent base for exploring the Algarve region. Douro River, one of Portugal's most scenic regions, lined with terraced vineyards. Famous for producing port wine with scenic boat tours along the river. Visit the picturesque towns of Paço de Régua and Pinhao. Explore the Douro Valley's dramatic landscape and stunning viewpoints. A UNESCO World Heritage landscape filled with natural beauty. Madeira, known for its lush, subtropical landscape and rugged coastlines. Lavada walks. Explore the island's irrigation channels through mountains and forests. Monte Palace, a botanical garden with incredible views. Cabo Geral Skywalk, one of the highest sea cliffs in Europe. Ideal for nature lovers, offering hiking, biking, and bird-watching. Óbidos, a charming medieval town encircled by a fortified wall. Cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses, and colorful flowers. Óbidos Castle, a well-preserved medieval fortress. The famous ginja liqueur is served in chocolate cups. Scenic views and a peaceful atmosphere make it a perfect escape. Coimbra, home to one of the oldest universities in Europe. Joanina Library, a Baroque masterpiece and UNESCO site. Beautiful botanical gardens, ideal for a relaxing walk. The University of Coimbra's historic campus offers stunning views of the city. Fado music originates from this city, making it an authentic cultural experience. Aveiro, known as the Venice of Portugal, with canals and colorful boats. Malaceiro boats, traditional, colorful boats that float along the canals. Visit the salt pans and discover the traditional salt-making process. Art Nouveau architecture that fills the streets. Beautiful beaches like Costa Nova with vibrant striped houses. Sintra National Palace, located in the heart of Sintra, this is the best-preserved royal palace in Portugal. Known for its impressive Moorish and Manueline architecture. Beautiful rooms filled with stunning tile work and intricate details. Surrounded by lush gardens perfect for exploring. A must-visit site for anyone interested in Portugal's royal history. Azores, an archipelago made up of 9 volcanic islands in the Atlantic Ocean. Known for lush green landscapes, crater lakes, and dramatic cliffs. São Miguel Island, famous for its hot springs and scenic hiking trails. Whale watching, diving, and other outdoor activities. Unspoiled nature, perfect for those looking for adventure. Braga, one of the oldest cities in Portugal with deep historical roots. Bom Jesus do Monte, a Baroque sanctuary with stunning views. Braga Cathedral, one of the oldest and most important religious buildings in Portugal. Visit the Roman ruins of Bracara Augusta, a charming city with a mix of old and new, perfect for exploring. Oceanario de Lisbonne, of the world's largest indoor aquariums located in Lisbon. Home to a variety of marine life, including sharks, rays, and sea turtles. Great for families with interactive exhibits and educational displays. Located in the Parque das Nacos, a modern area by the river. A must-see for marine enthusiasts and families alike. São Jorge Castle, a historic hilltop castle offering panoramic views of Lisbon. Walk along the ancient walls and explore the grounds. Learn about Lisbon's history through interactive displays. Surrounded by beautiful gardens and green spaces. A perfect spot for a peaceful afternoon stroll. Benagil, famous for its stunning sea caves, especially the Benagil Cave. The Algarve coastline offers beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters. A great spot for kayaking, boat tours, and snorkeling. Explore hidden caves that can only be reached by water. A peaceful, less crowded alternative to other Algarve beaches. Guimarães is known as the birthplace of Portugal, with a rich historical heritage. Guimarães Castle, a medieval castle with panoramic views. The Palace of the Dukes of Braganza, a stunning palace and museum. A UNESCO World Heritage City with well-preserved medieval streets. Known for its vibrant cultural life, festivals, and historic buildings. Hiking the Gerês mountain range, located in the Peneda Gerês National Park, ideal for nature lovers and hikers. Stunning landscapes, including waterfalls, lakes, and dense forests. A UNESCO biosphere reserve with rich biodiversity. Hike through ancient villages, discovering traditional stone houses. Perfect for those seeking adventure in the wild beauty of Portugal. Nazaré, famous for its giant waves, attracting surfers from around the world. Visit the sanctuary of Our Lady of Nazar, a place of pilgrimage. The lighthouse offers breathtaking views of the coastline. A charming beach town with seafood restaurants and a relaxed vibe. A perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Serra da Estrela, the highest mountain range in mainland Portugal. Perfect for skiing and snowboarding in winter and hiking in summer. Stunning lakes, valleys, and picturesque villages to explore. Visit the famous Torre Peak for panoramic views. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts year-round. Cascais, a coastal town known for its beautiful beaches and rich cultural heritage. Cascais Marina, lined with luxury yachts and seafood restaurants. Boca do Inferno, a natural rock formation that creates stunning waves. Explore the charming cobbled streets of the town center. Relax on the beach or visit museums like the Condes de Castro Guimarães Museum. Luís I Bridge, an iconic double-deck iron bridge connecting Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia, offers breathtaking views of the Douro River and Porto's skyline. Walk or drive across to get a unique perspective of the city. A masterpiece of engineering and a must-see for visitors to Porto, one of the most photographed landmarks in Portugal.